No, I mean, are you going to ask me a question and then I'm going to talk?
Nerdery, this is Jane. May I help you?
I can't do it without laughing.
I think the thing that brought us the most unexpected joy this year was on a trip to Glacier National Park, a grizzly bear walked across the trail that we were hiking on. And I suppose the most unexpected joy is the fact that the bear did not eat us. So that was cool. Being able to see a grizzly bear and not be eaten brought a lot of joy to me and my family.
I would say that Taylor Swift this year brought me a lot of unexpected joy, both with announcing her new album, Midnights, and then announcing she's going on tour next summer. And then after waiting in a virtual queue for 7 hours, finally getting Taylor Swift tickets for next year.
The one thing that brought me the most unexpected joy was probably moving here to Minneapolis. I didn't know how much bonding time I would get with my dogs when we're both freezing, waiting for them to go to the bathroom in -10 degrees. It really will bring a family together, and I'm so thankful for those freezing, joyous, cold moments.
We were supposed to go to Sweden in 2020, couldn't because of COVID. We ended up being able to go this year, this summer, and we coincidentally were able to see one of our favorite groups that was supposed to perform in Eurovision in 2020. We happened to see them doing a mic check and a performance in a park in Lund, Sweden, where we were staying. So it was a coincidence that happened 2 years after it was supposed to.
What brought me joy was coming into work, seeing my fellow nerds, right? And we would go to like JK's table, we'll go to KFC, but we'd always go to like Taco Bell, just on the fly, get lunches for our fellow nerds who can't make it, come back into the kitchen and just have lunch. So that brings me joy.
I guess the new cat that I got about right before Thanksgiving, because I lost my previous cat, had to put my previous cat down in October. I was not expecting to get a new cat, but my niece called and her kittens were bullying this cat, 17 pounds, and kittens are bullying him. And so I went down to get him, and my brother says, "Have you seen this cat? He's a big cat, Jane. He's a mountain lion." So the mountain lion is now in my home. His name is Scotty, and we're getting used to each other. But I guess that was my unexpected joy.